sana, but your facial muscles love to tighten. Tamang timing mo, galing! Tighten siya eh. Every so often at the moment, and this is a very good example, is you tighten your facial muscles and you're dealing with that much power that needs to supply the high note. Never that. Hala! It's gonna happen. You cannot. Walang dapat sa gabal dito. Ito magiging tridor mo. Kaya nga yun ang una natin rinirelax eh. Okay? The facial muscles. Let go. There's a whole network of muscles there na pwedeng maging sagabal sa'yo. Lalo na sa mataas na notang ganyan. Okay, we don't need to watch Ugay and Poy because that was just, tamang-tama. On cue ka.
Pero ano lang to, Miss Peach, dalawang kanta pa lang itong, dalawang duet pa lang ito.
We can cite it as an example. Yeah, okay.
So,
okay, so ano ba ang pinapagawa namin sa inyo this week? Ano ang counterpoint? Who has an idea? Sige, Miguel, ano ang counterpoint?
2 songs that are put into one.
Okay, not necessarily. Well, in this case, you'll just be 2 songs. Sometimes it can even be more. Alright? In this case, you have 2 independent songs. May kanya-kanyang chord progression yan. Harmonic progression. Ipagsasama ngayon. So, ano ba ang requirements dito para sa isang singer sa counterpoint where you have 2 melodies put together now as if it was one? Kailangan magaling ang tenga. Alright? We are now raising your level of intelligence musically. Okay, CR. So, very, very important yon na matibay yung inyong tonal memory. Kaya nga, inaayos natin yung technique niya para andun na siya eh. Para pag dagdag nitong additional challenge, equipped kayo. Okay. For example, ang isang pares ng kanta ay...
we're gonna teach 4 people now, bali 2 duets. We're gonna ask everybody else muna to go out. So,
but just to give a sampling.
Yeah, we'll have Miguel muna and Miguel is singing with Lizelle.
Okay.
Okay? And Bugoy is singing with La Arnie.
Okay.
Okay, so everybody else, labas muna.
Okay.
Labas muna. Diyan lang kayo, dito sa labas ng downstairs. Diyan. You'll have your time. Sige.
Miguel is Bugoy and La Arnie.
Sige, sa house na muna kayo lahat. Sa house na muna kayo lahat, ha?
Okay.
So, ito lyrics nyo. Yes. Miguel, you're singing Stay Away. Stay away, cannot ikaw.
Patayin sa
Hindi, madali lang yan. Alam mo yan, madali lang. Bugoy, ikaw, bakit 1?
Okay.
Ay, wow.
Audio lang.
Sila Arnie on the
Para matake na.
Nasaan si La Arnie? La Arnie, dito ka. Ikaw ito kakantahin mo. Ikaw yan ang kakantahin mo.
Iyan ang kakantahin.
Sige,